So we are determining whether the argument is valid or invalid. Okay, so because these are all just conditional statements, they're non-quantified, we are going to translate and then see if it matches one of the forms that we have. Okay, so let's identify a single statement. So a figure is a triangle. It's a first simple statement. The angles add up to 180 degrees. It's another statement. They're connected by conditional because of the event word. The next premise, the statement is if a figure has three sides, so that's a new statement. So we have to label it with a new label. I'm going to use R. It is a triangle. So that's the same as the figure is a triangle, so that's P. And once again, the if then is a connected word. So far, we've got, this is my second premise. This is my first premise. And now the conclusion statement is if a figure has three sides, so that's my R statement, then the angles add up to 180, so then Q. All right. So this one is not going to directly match to any of our forms, but as you can see, if I switch the order of the statements, basically I have from R to P, that's this first premise, then from P to Q. And so the transitive reasoning, the valid transitive reasoning, you're able, if you can go from R to P and then from P to Q, it is valid to go to reason from R directly to Q. So it is valid to conclude that you can go from R to Q. So if we can think about it, actually make sense of it. So if a figure is a triangle, it's got 180 degrees. Well, actually, if we read it backwards. So if the figure has three sides, then it's a triangle. If it's a triangle, it's got 180 degrees, or the angles add up to 180 degrees. Then we can conclude that a figure with three sides will have angles that add up to 180 degrees because of transitive reasoning. So this is good, valid. But notice with the either transitive, the valid form of the transitive reasoning, or the misuse of it, you always have two options for the conclusion. So these two are valid, and these two are invalid. In this case, we were valid